fight inflation is to drive down wages and make Americans poorer. I think I have a better idea to fight inflation. Lower your costs, not your wages. Too many families are struggling to keep up with their bills. Inflation is robbing them of gains they thought otherwise they would be able to feel. I get it. That's why my top priority is getting prices under control. Look, our economy roared back faster than almost anyone predicted, but the pandemic meant that businesses had a hard time hiring enough people because of the pandemic to keep up production in their factories. When that happens, it takes longer to make goods and get them to the warehouses, to the stores, and prices go up. And so we have a choice. One way to fight inflation is to drive down wages and make Americans poorer. I think I have a better idea to fight inflation. Lower your costs, not your wages. Make more cars and semiconductors in America. More infrastructure and innovation in America. More goods moving faster and cheaper in America. More jobs where you can earn a good living in America. Instead of relying on foreign supply chains, let's make it in America.
What's going on YouTube? It's John Muro here. Thank you for tuning in. We've got some important news for you today on things going on around the world, things that you need to know about. And stay tuned because I came across some information that can literally put more money in your pocket, so you don't want to miss. I've also got an update that we're about to talk about now. You see the picture on a stimulus package, and I've also got some more news for you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so we can keep bringing you this news. It's definitely free, and it doesn't cost you anything. We are trying to hit our goal of 60,000 subscribers. We're getting closer every single day. If you could subscribe, it would mean the world to us. So if you can, smash that subscribe button to help us out. And in fact, for supporting this channel, we want to give back. And so we are doing a huge giveaway for 3 lucky subscribers. We want to give back to show you how much we appreciate you and your support. And can I just say thank you for all the comments and the feedback we have been getting. It's truly amazing. You guys are awesome. So can we the people ask, where are the stimulus checks? Why have they not been sent out? So I came across some positive information, and here's what it said. Gas stimulus check 2022. How the states are planning to reduce inflation. I guess this is one way to do it. People all over the United States of America are having to tighten their belts in the face of huge inflation all over the country. Gas is one of the commodities most badly hit, and prices have increased considerably since the start of the crisis in Ukraine and Russia, but several states around the country are trying to reduce the impact of inflation. Can I just say this? Why is it that certain states and the governors and the mayors, they are trying to make something happen because they care about their people? Why is Congress? Why isn't the Senate? Why are these people that are in higher positions that could really make something happen? Why are they not doing something about it? But I came across this, and here's the plan. The plan is to reduce inflation. So the quickest and most efficient way to reduce the impact on inflation is to pay citizens directly through the IRS, as we've done with the 3 stimulus check payments during the pandemic. These payments could be paid to families earning lower to moderate incomes or those who earn less than 80% of the average national salary. The strategy has been considered to help those who've been affected mostly by the price hikes, but at the same time limiting the overall cost of the initiative. Many say that this strategy, which we could see around $1,100 paid out, will help lower income families in the short term, and there will be consideration over further payments down the line. This is a start. This is something that these guys are talking about sending out this $1,100 check to help people, help families with low incomes that are struggling, that are needing help. Political leaders in Maryland have announced that they have plans to suspend gas tax for 30 days in an effort to offset the impact of inflation. Service stations would take this levy, but then be expected to lower the prices of gas, giving residents a timely break as the price continues to go up. This is something that you and I, we all need, because when we drive, to work, when we drive, take our kids to school, when we drive to the grocery store, when we drive to get things that we need, to food, anything, clothes, the gas is just super high, and it costs a lot. It costs a lot to fill up our tanks. It costs a lot of money. It breaks my heart, because I wish that I was just a billionaire, because I would be sending people money. I would literally create a system that if you needed help and you needed monthly financial help, I would create a system that you would be taken care of, and I would provide you with monthly payments every single month, and you don't have to worry about paying back a dime. You don't got to worry about anything. That's just me. But I don't have $1 billion. So what do we do? What do you do? What do I do? We depend on our leaders. We depend on those in Congress, our Biden administration, to do something to figure out what they can do to help Americans out, because everybody's wallet is taking a hit. Even those that make a ton of money, they still got to pay the same gas you and I got to pay. And yes, they might not be hurting because they got all that money, but it's still, everybody's got to pay. So I'm glad that they're finally doing something to help reduce inflation. So there's a plan that they're working on, guys. And what I love is that they said the quickest and most efficient way is to send out, a stimulus check through the IRS the same way they did during the pandemic. So I'm hoping that encourages you. I'm hoping that brings you hope. So guys, if you want to make some free money, easy money, take a look at our giveaway video. The link will be in the description. If you ever have any trouble with links, let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely get you those fixed. For some odd reason, I had a few links not work, but I got those fixed now, so you should be good. Also, for those that are trying to get some extra cash, we've got a double win for everybody. If you're trying to get some extra money, surprise, $1,500 paychecks to be issued to some workers within weeks. So see if you're eligible for 2 payments. Workers in California County will be receiving $1,500 payments in the upcoming weeks. The Sacramento County is providing bonuses to essential workers who are on the job at the height of the pandemic. I'm glad that they're giving back. This hazard pay is being distributed in 2 ways. First, workers could be eligible for 2 payments totaling a lump sum of $1,500. One installment would be for the current fiscal year. The second would apply to the 2022-2023 fiscal year, which starts July 1st. County employees who are essential workers will qualify for either one of the 2 installments. Determining factor is the number of hours they've worked on site since the pandemic. Workers who have put at least 120 hours on site between March 2020 and March 8th, 2022, and who remain employed by the Sacramento County qualify for the first payment installment. So if this is you, if this is concerning you, you have a chance to get some extra money. Those who worked an additional 120 hours on site between March 2020 and March 1st, 2022 qualify for the second installment. The alternative to the payment is 40 hours of administrative time off, the Sacramento Bee reports. The county employees making $102,000 or less will qualify for the financial bonus, but have the option to take the time off if wanted. So these people have qualified working through the pandemic in this county, that they can receive a bonus stimulus check because they worked through the pandemic, or they can get a 40-hour paid time off, which is amazing. I mean, that's pretty cool. So there's your chance to win some extra money, guys. So stay tuned for more videos to come. Again, thank you so much for watching. We're really depending on you guys to help us hit our goal of 60,000 subscribers. We could not do it without you. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. All the information will be down below in the links. If you need anything else, please let me know. Thank you for your comments. I respect your time. I respect you. I respect your opinion. So keep the comments coming. Let us know your feedback. And I've learned a lot from you guys. And I hope that we've helped you in some way. As always, thank you for watching. And until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.